guys, welcome back to Watch This Frame, and this is the most demanding video since I've started my YouTube channel, and that is all about my hair care routine. So finally I decided that let's just sit and make a proper video on my hair care routine. And also I'm going to tell you all that my hair care routine is very much basic, and the product which I use for my hair is also very much minimal. So in this video I'm going to tell you all about my hair texture and how I oil my hair and which oil I use, and the third part will be all about my shampoo and conditioner. After it I will share with you all that how you can keep your hair healthy and damage free. So if you are interested in knowing all these things, then continue watching and make sure you stay tuned till the end. So without any further ado, let's just get started.
'Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
So let's first talk about my hair texture. So as you all guys already know that I have colored hair, and many of you all have already asked that what is my hair shade. So my hair is in burgundy shade, and मेरा बाल जो मेरी मम्मी कलर कर दिया. I don't prefer going to salon or any parlor for coloring my hair because I'm very much scared of that. So yeah, my mom used to color my hair, and this is how my hair looked like. And she is best in it, like she colored my hair as if some professional had colored my hair like that. And other than that, I have soft to dry kind of a hair and if I talk about the single string of my hair string is quite thick and strong. So yeah, that's all about my hair, and also my hair has quite a bit volume. So yeah, that's all about my hair texture. Now let's move on to the oiling part. So for oiling, since childhood I use only one oil, and that is Parachute coconut oil, and this is my best friend. And I oil my hair twice or thrice a week. कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब भी मेरे को शैम्पू करना रहता है उससे एक दिन पहले मैं अपने बालों में तेल लगा लेती हूँ. Then I keep it overnight. And for oiling, what I do is I take few drops of Parachute coconut oil on my palm, and then from my fingertips I put all the oil in the roots of my hair, and like this way I used to oil my hair. Then whatever the oil is left on my hands, I put it on the length of my hair, and yeah, that's all I do for my oiling. I don't over oil my hair because it ultimately led you to dry your hair. It ultimately led you to dry your scalp or make your hair very much frizzy. So yeah, that's all I do to oil my hair. And now let's come on to the shampoo part. So as I have already told you all guys that I have colored hair, so I don't like to experimenting with many shampoos, like because as you all know shampoo में काफ़ी ज़्यादा chemicals होते हैं. So that's why I prefer to use a mild shampoo for my hair, and I shampoo my hair twice a week. And for shampoo I use this Vatika shampoo, and I am using this shampoo for years now. मैंने recently इसे switch करके मैंने TRESemmé use किया था, that black bottle, but ultimately it doesn't suit me. And I want to tell you all that we all are different, like our lifestyle is very much different from each other. So always choose shampoo that suits you and without getting influenced by anyone. Like if I'm saying कि मैं Vatika use करती हूँ because it is a mild shampoo and it suits me and it makes my hair healthy, it doesn't mean कि आपको भी ये shampoo suit करे. So that's all I want to tell. So जब भी आप शैम्पू यूज़ करते हो तो आप अपने पसंद के शैम्पू यूज़ करो, एंड यूज दैट शैम्पू दैट यू ट्रस्ट, बिकॉज शैम्पू सबके लिए एक ही काम करता है. सो and I hope that makes sense to you all guys. And after shampooing your hair, make sure that this is the most important thing that you have to do. Don't ever skip this process, that is condition your hair, because आजकल का जैसा लाइफस्टाइल हो गया है, आजकल इतने ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशंस हैं कि अगर आप अभी शैम्पू करके निकल रहे हो तो within 30 minutes your hair will become very much frizzy and very much rough. So you really need to apply conditioner for your hair. And for conditioner I use this TRESemmé conditioner, and again it's all about what suits you the best, because मैंने अभी आपको बोला कि मेरे को TRESemmé के शैम्पू सूट नहीं किए, but for the conditioner they suit me the best. So it's all about what suits you the best. So yeah, I hope that these things are making sense to you all guys. So yeah, that's all about my shampoo and conditioner. And I never dry my hair with dryer or any heat appliances, फिर चाहे मैं कितनी भी जल्दी में क्यों ना हूँ. I just give my hair proper time to dry by itself. When my hair gets partially dried, then I use this Lemon hair serum to make my hair frizz free. And for that what I do is जब भी मेरा बाल partially सूख जाता है, then I take 2 to 3 drops of this Livon on my palm and I apply it on the length of my hair. Never ever apply any serum on the roots of your hair because it will damage it. And why we use hair serum is to make our hair look fresh, free, and also it makes your hair very subtle and stable. So that's why I use this Livon serum for my hair and it smells really amazing, like really amazing. एंड अनदर बेस्ट पार्ट इज जब भी आप ये लिवॉन हेयर सीरम लगाते हो तो आपके बाल ऑटोमेटिकली टैंगल फ्री हो जाते हैं एंड दैट इज़ अ प्लस पॉइंट बिकॉज इतने लंबे बालों में अपने बालों को डीटैंगल करना काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है. और जब मेरा बाल प्रॉपरली सूख जाता है देन ओनली आई कोम माई हेयर. एंड यू नेवर एवर कोम योर हेयर व्हेन योर हेयर इज़ वेट बिकॉज जब आप गीले बालों में अपने बालों को कोम करोगे तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल होगा. सो ऑलवेज वेट कि आपके बाल अच्छे से सूख जाए देन comb your hair. And so I always use a neem wood comb to improve my blood circulations and this is how it look like and it also keep my hair healthy. और जब भी मैं इसे अपने बाल कोम करती हूँ मेरे बाल बहुत कम गिरते हैं. Other than that, to keep your hair healthy, always eat healthy, drink lots and lots of water, oil your hair properly and try to cover your hair with a scarf when जब भी आप बाहर बहुत ही ज़्यादा pollution में रहते हो तो. So this brings us to the end of this video. That's all I do to keep my hair healthy and this is all my hair care routine. And I hope this will help you all, and if you really like this video then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and share it with as many people as you can. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.